In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create games on Roblox. So if you don't already know how to create games on your mobile on Roblox, I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you'll need to do is open up a browser of your choice, so Google Chrome, Firefox, whichever you wish to use. So today's video, I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then once you have opened up your browser, you will need to go to roblox.com. Once you go to roblox.com, you'll be brought to this page here, and you don't want to click continue in app, you need to click continue in browser. Once you click on continue in browser, as you can see, there is an option now at the top of the page for create. And as you can see, you can't actually create anything on mobile. It tells you to download it on your Windows or Mac. So what you need to do is go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then you need to select desktop site. Once you select desktop site, as you can see now, it does say start creating right there at the top. So that's how you can go ahead and start creating games on Roblox on your phone, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.